Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, it is continuously on the downside, as you can see, after making a high of around $8. Before that it has already made a high of around $10. Okay, another thing that you have to understand here is that it has created a pattern. Okay, and this pattern, what it says, that whenever it hits high, it comes down with a sharp fall. Okay, and this is being repeated for quite some time. Okay, and this is being repeated for 7 times continuously, as you can see. And if you look at this particular chart, a sharp fall has come to 30 to 40%, even 50 to 100% also, as we have seen in this particular zone. Okay, before we move forward and explain you where the price of natural gas can move on Monday, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now look at this particular chart. We have not seen this level since May of 2021. Okay, now it is trading below that particular zone. So you have to understand one thing, that a level, I have already told that a level of around 5.3 is a strong level, a level of 4.9 is a strong level, a level of 3.5 is a strong level. So if the price comes close to this level and sustain, then we can see it can go further upside. Overall trend is downside, so chances are very high. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can fall further low, and a probability of going towards a level of around $2.68 is there, and from there we can see it can move further down, and a probability of going towards a level of 2.5 is there. Once it falls below this particular zone, it can touch a level of 2.5, which is a weak support. So you have to understand it can move further low and can touch a level of around 2.3. Okay, and if it falls below this particular zone, it can touch a level of around $2.204, and from there we can see it can move further low. Okay, and once it falls below this level, chances of touching $1.9 is there, and then we can see it can fall further down. Okay, now understand something. There is a continuous downfall, but this downfall is moving in an ascending order, but in a volatile range. Okay, so suppose if this level sustain, okay, chances are less, but I have to explain you both the side, because you should not blindly follow that this is the trend, this is the trend. No, you should always trail your SL, as well as always minimize your quantity when you are not confident. Okay, and set intraday loss as well as per day limit, as well as for the weekly limit. Suppose if it form a swing at this particular level, what we can see, it can go towards its next resistance of around $2.94, and if that level move upside, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $3. Suppose if this level sustain, then chances are high it can go towards a level of around $3.3. okay, and once it goes above this particular zone, chances are high we can see it can touch a level of around $3.5. okay, and once it sustain above 3.5, then chances are high it can cross that particular zone and can go towards a level of around $3.7, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around above a level of 3.9. Once it sustain above 3.9, then chances are high it can touch a level of around 4.1. You have to understand, once it sustain above 4.1, then chances of touching 4.3 is there, because there is a gap, you can say. So gap will be filled, and then a probability of going further upside we can see for natural gas. Okay, now understand something. If you are trading, you have to be careful, because most of the people lose money in trading, 90% and more. So what I teach in my workshop, that if you're trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, and suppose if you are trading with 10 to 15% of capital, that comes to 1,000 to 1,500, and a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you trade with 5 trades, and maximum loss you can take is 100 per trade. Okay, that is 500 of full particular day. So if you lose 500 for that particular day, you can relax for the day and then trade the next day. What people do is they lose so much money in the first day itself, then they try to recover it, and in that process they lose their full capital. Okay, so this is how I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.